What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about beard grooming. Guys, if you have a beard, I can't stress how important this is. It's your face we're talking about. This is going to make your jawline look more defined. You're going to look slimmer, more put together overall. I'm going to show you the tools I use, the techniques I use so that you don't get any razor bumps, which is a major key as well. We're going to hop into the washroom, get right into the video. I'm going to start with some clean skin. So I just showered, got all ready, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow your natural bone structure. So along the back of your jaw, down across the bottom, and across your natural hairline on your cheek. You don't want to create any weird sharp lines on your cheek. It's going to look weird. It's not going to look right. So we're going to start with the Phillips one blade. You're basically going to get a razor sharp shave without having to use a razor. So you're not going to get crazy razor bumps and get a lot of acne from this product. We're just going to do the cheek, again following the natural line here. See how much sharper that looks. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Just following the natural hairline. Next, we're just going to tidy this piece here up. So guys, we're all lined up. It looks a lot cleaner overall, a lot tighter of a look. However, I'm still going to shorten my actual beard all around. I'm going to do this in a few different steps. We're going to go shorter to longer as we go down. This is going to give your face a little more structure. So I'm going to start with a 7 mil here, and we're going to do the bottom part at 7, this top little bit at 5, and then this part here at 3, as well as my mustache at 3. One tip for trimming the beard, guys, you want to push your jaw down so that you can get more of the hair. So guys, now we're switching to the 5, and I'm going to do this upper portion. And now we're jumping to the 3, again, just this upper part to blend it a little better with the hair and to keep the mustache tighter. And one tip for doing your mustache is you want to put your tongue at the top, push it up and down so that you can get all the hairs. When you're doing this section with your hair, you want to go in and kind of flick it out, not just up and straight. Now I'm just going to look it over one more time with the Phillips again, just make sure there's no spots that I missed now that it's shorter, and then you're set to go. Guys, now that we're done, we're just going to moisturize the whole face one more time to make sure we're hydrated. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. I hope you learned something new that you can implement the next time you're cleaning up your beard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe below. I'm dropping content weekly for you. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.